let us discuss practice worksheet of grade 7. Topic is integers. The very first question is the smallest positive integer is. First of all, we should know what are the integers. Integers are the positive numbers, 0 and the negative numbers. So how we write it down? In the center we write 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So these are the integers. So we have to find out the smallest positive integer. The smallest positive integer will be 1 here, because after 1 all the integers are bigger than this. So the smallest positive integer is 1. Now you can say 0 also, but 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 na positive hai na negative hai. Let us move to the next one. The greatest negative integer. Greatest negative integer. Now see, these all of these are integers, negative, 0 and positive. So we have to find out the greatest negative integer. Now see, when we move towards the left side, the integers keep on decreasing, and when we move towards right side, integers keep on increasing. So -1 will be the greatest negative integer here. So -1 will be your answer. Subtract -10 from 1. So we have to subtract -10 from 1. So we will write 1 here, then -10. Now we will solve it. Open the bracket by multiplying both the negative signs. Negative into negative, it will become positive. 1 plus 10, that will become 11. So when we subtract -10 from 1, it gives 11. Next is 25 into -10 into -4 is equal to. How we have to multiply it? We will multiply it using the associative property. So first of all, we will multiply -25 with -4, because we know 25 fours are 100, and -25 into -4, that will come out to be -25 into -4. First of all, we will multiply this, multiply by -10. 25 fours are 100 into -10, that will come out to be -1000. So -1000 will be the answer. Now see, 1, 2, 3. 3 negative signs are there. If negative signs are in odd numbers, then answer will always be negative. Next is additive inverse of -41. Additive inverse means you have to change the sign of this. How? If it is negative, then how will you change the sign? You will put negative sign in front of it, minus of -41. That will become +41. So +41 is the answer. Additive inverse means when we add both these numbers, the answer comes out to be a 0. For example, if I take a plus -a, the answer will be 0. So we can say a and -a are additive inverse of each other. Next is -86 divided by 0. Now we know division with 0 is not defined. We cannot define the division with 0. So division of any integer or whole number by 0, that will be not defined. Next is write down the pair of integers whose sum is -9. The answer may vary here. So I am taking two numbers, -2 and -7. When you are asked about the pair, so you have to mention the pair like this. Now its sum, let us check it out. The sum plus -7, so it will become -2 -7, that is -9. So this pair is correct. Simple you can take. Next is write down the pair of integers whose difference is -7. Whose difference is -7. So I am taking the pair here, like I am taking the pair -10 and -3. Now I have to check it out also. -10 minus -3, because I have to take the difference. Difference means subtraction. So -10 minus -3. So it will become minus minus plus, minus 10 plus 3. That comes out to be minus 7. We will subtract both the numbers. Evaluate minus 256 plus minus 312 within bracket. So we have to evaluate it. First of all, open the brackets. It will become minus 256 plus minus minus 312. Both are with negative sign. It means we will add it up. So it comes out to be minus 568. Next is find the value of this. So first of all, again we will open the brackets here. 3 plus minus minus 4 plus minus minus 5 minus minus plus 4. Now add positive numbers differently and negative numbers differently. 3 plus 4, that comes out to be 7. Minus 4 minus 5, that comes out to be minus 9. Now 7 minus 9, it will come out to be minus 2. Now why minus sign is there? Because in the bigger number, in front of the bigger number, we have negative sign. Clear? Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So the very small number here will be negative numbers. Negative numbers are smaller than the bigger number. So the smallest negative number will be minus 21. The number with the negative sign having the bigger value, that will be the smallest here. Then bigger than minus 21, that will be minus 18. Bigger than minus 18 is minus 10 when we move towards right side. When we move towards right, numbers keep on increasing. Next will be positive, that will be 1, then 7, then 14. So this will be the ascending order. Next is find the value of this. See, 1982 multiplied by 776, 982 multiplied by 776. In between, negative sign is here. So we can use here the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So first of all, what we have to do, we will take 776 out and multiply by. In between, here will be 1982 minus 982. Now we will solve it, multiply by, we will subtract these terms. It will comes out to be 1000. Now multiply 776 with 1000. Very easy one. So this way you will get the answer. Next is evaluate A part. 97 into 25 into minus 2 into minus 4. Again all are multiply sign and the numbers are more than 2 numbers. So we will use here the associative property of multiplication. So first of all, we will choose the pair. We will multiply 25 with 4. 25 4s are 100, we know. And we will multiply 97 with minus 2. So 97 multiply by minus 2 in one bracket. In another bracket, 25 into minus 4. So 97 2s are 194, plus minus is minus. Multiply by 25 4s are 100, plus minus, again it will be minus. Now we will multiply two negative signs. Two negatives, it will become positive. So the answer will be 19400, 19,400 with the positive sign. Next is again using property, we will solve it. 49 into 17. So we can use here the property of distribution. Distributive property we can use here. 49 can be split by writing 50 minus 1. It can be splitted by writing 50 minus 1. Multiply by 17. Now we will multiply 50 with 17 first. Afterwards multiply 1 with 17. So it will be distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. 50 multiplied by 17 within one bracket minus 1 into 17. Now we will multiply 17 5s are 85 and 0 will come here minus 17. Now we will subtract it. It comes out to be 833. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.